The Farberware plastic cutting board is a reliable and essential addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the reputable brand Farberware, known for quality kitchen products, this cutting board comes in a crisp white color that complements any kitchen decor. Measuring at 10.04 inches in length, 8.07 inches in width, and 0.2 inches in thickness, this rectangular cutting board provides ample space for all your cutting and chopping needs. Made from durable plastic, it offers a sturdy surface that is gentle on knives, ensuring longevity for both your board and kitchen tools. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher after use, and it will be ready for the next meal preparation. The included 8 into 10-inch cutting board is a versatile size ideal for everyday kitchen tasks. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, this Farberware plastic cutting board is a practical and functional tool that will